students, today we will start our revision. Subject is English and standard is 3. Now let's start. Question number 1. A multiple choice questions. Number 1. What precious things does the train contains? So train contains loads. Answer is loads. The train crosses mountains, plains and rivers. Your answer is river. Train crosses river. The blank are calling caw, caw, caw. Who are calling caw, caw, caw? So that is crows. Crows are calling caw, crow, caw, caw, caw. Where are the children going? Children are going to school. Where they are going? They are going to school. So your answer is school. How were the birds calling? Birds were calling softly. Birds were calling softly. Your answer is softly. The child first met a man. Child सबसे पहले किससे मिला था? The child first met a man. Okay. Then number 7. Who agreed to join at last? Last में कौन join करा? किसने join किया था last में? So that is puppy. Okay. Now number 8. Who gave a loud harsh call? So that is langur monkey. Langur monkey gave a loud harsh call. The tiger cub followed a blank one day. Whom tiger cub followed? That is frog. Your answer is frog. Where did the mother tiger and her small tiger cub lived? Where they were living? They were living near the river. Now, what did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? She hunted deer and pigs. She hunted deer and pigs. Who bring letter for us? That we all know. Postman brings letter for us. The child wanted to receive a, what does the child want to receive? He want to receive a letter. Your answer is letter. The little girl did not know the difference between food and pebbles. Yes. Salt and sugar, no. She was not knowing the difference between food and pebbles. The little girl did not want to blank at all. What she did not want to do? She did not want to study at all. Now number 16. The author is complaining to whom the author was complaining? Mother. Author was complaining to his mother. The child asked for a blank. Child asked for a chance. For what child asked? Child asked for a chance. What did the child patiently do? Child will wait. What child will do? Child will wait for the turn when he will grow up. Okay. Who are they in the poem? Who are they means child's parents, child's neighbor or teacher. So child parents. The hill was, how was the hill? Small, big or steep? The hill was small. Who asked Meena a question? Who asked Meena a question? A man. Who asked question? Man asked a question. Meena was carrying a blank on her back. Whom she was carrying? Boy, girl or stone? She was carrying a boy. So your answer will be boy. Humans can hop and run and all of these. So humans can hop and run. Both the work they can do. So your answer is all of these. Then who can both dive and swim? That is seal. That is seal. Seal can dive and swim, whereas lion and monkey cannot swim. Okay. How can the birds sail? How the birds sail? So birds sails with their tails? No. With their paws? No. With their wings. They sail in the sky with their wings. Now number 26. Who is not bothered by the burning sand? Camel, zebra or tiger? It is camel. It did not bother about the burning sand. There are no river or lakes in. कहाँ पर कोई रिवर या लेक्स नहीं होती? दैट इज डेजर्ट्स. डेजर्ट्स में कोई रिवर नहीं होती और कोई लेक्स भी नहीं होती. सो योर आंसर विल बी डेजर्ट. At a time, camel can drink how many bottles? 200 bottles, 500 bottles or 150 bottles. So that is 200 bottles. A camel stores its food in its hump, stomach or legs. It is its hump. Name the sheep of the desert. So who is called the sheep of the desert? Crab, tiger or camel? So it is a camel. Camel is called the sheep of the desert. Now question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Okay, the lion has which type of legs lion have? Padded. Yes. Then blank can leap and dance all around. Who can leap and dance all around? Children. The flies blank on the wall. Flies crawl on the walls. Meena was happy. Yes. And Meena was carrying her brother. Meena किसको पकड़े हुई थी? उसके ब्रदर को. The boy's hair was, boy के hairs कैसे थे? Curly. The man felt sorry for, मैन को सॉरी किसके लिए फील हुआ यानी बुरा किसके लिए लगा? मीना के लिए. ओके. Now fill up number 8. The blank can walk across the desert on a hot afternoon. Who can walk? That is camel. The blank is the king of the forest. Who is king of the forest? Lion. There are no trees in a desert. Desert में कोई trees नहीं होते हैं. The little girl was very silly. Little girl कैसी थी? Silly. The little girl and her brother play with pebbles. वो लोग किससे खेलते थे? पत्थरों से खेलते थे. कंकर पत्थर से खेलते थे. The little girl and her brother played with pebbles. The child decided to send letter to his friend. Child ने किसको letter send करने का decide किया? Friends को. The child's parents usually receives letter. Who usually receives letter? Child's parents. The child has to wait till he grow up. Child को कब तक वेट करना पड़ेगा? जब तक वो बड़ा होता है तब तक. The child is not blank to do certain things. Is not allowed. Child को बहुत सारे काम करना allowed नहीं है. Nobody knows that the child is again inside. Nobody यानी कोई नहीं. So the people climbed the hill slowly and carefully. The blank wiggles all around. कौन wiggle करता है? Worm. A camel stores food in its hump. Camel अपना food कहाँ store करता है? Hump में. Now write opposite of the following. Question number 3. Inside का opposite. Inside opposite. आउटसाइड. इनसाइड मतलब अंदर, आउटसाइड मतलब बाहर. सम यानी कुछ, तो उसका अपोजिट क्या होगा? मैनी. नोबडी यानी कोई भी नहीं. एवरीबडी यानी सब लोग. फिर शो यानी दिखाना. हाइड मीन्स छुपाना. शो, हाइड. ऑल यानी सब. नथिंग यानी कुछ नहीं. देन बिग. बिग मतलब बड़ा. स्मॉल मतलब छोटा. वार्म. वार्म मीन्स गरम एंड कोल्ड मीन्स ठंडा. डल मीन्स जो चमकता नहीं हो वो. और ब्राइट. ब्राइट मीन्स जो चमकता है उसको ब्राइट बोलते हैं. नेचुरल यानी नेचुरल चीज़ें. नेचुरल का होता है आर्टिफिशियल. नेचुरल यानी असली, आर्टिफिशियल यानी नकली. जो विन यानी जीतना. लूज यानी हारना. ओके. सो विन का अपोजिट क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द अपोजिट ऑफ विन? इट विल बी लूज. यस. नाउ प्राउड. प्राउड मीन्स हम्बल. प्राउड का हम्बल. प्राउड मीन्स जो इन द सेंस हम बोल सकते हैं अपने आप में बहुत गर्व महसूस करता है, उसको बोलते हैं प्राउड, कि मुझे तो सब कुछ आता है. और हम्बल मीन्स जो सब कुछ आते हुए भी गर्व नहीं करता. ओवर अंडर. ओवर यानी ऊपर, ओवर यानी अंडर. राइट रॉन्ग. राइट यानी सही, रॉन्ग यानी गलत. अनट्रूथ यानी झूठ. तो अनट्रूथ का अपोजिट क्या होगा? ट्रुथ. ट्रुथ यानी सच. रिच यानी जो बहुत पैसे वाले होते. पुअर यानी कि जिनके पास पैसे नहीं होते. लाफ. लाफ यानी हंसना. क्राई मीन्स रोना. अर्ली यानी जल्दी. लेट यानी देर से. अर्ली लेट. क्वाइट. क्वाइट यानी एकदम शांत. नॉइजी यानी बहुत ज़्यादा शोर वाला. कम. कम मीन्स आना और गो मीन्स जाना. सो अपोजिट ऑफ कम इज गो. इधर पे यहाँ पर लास्ट नंबर पे इसका सेम आपको अपोजिट करना है. गो मीन्स जाना और कम मीन्स आना. यस. नाउ गिव राइमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 3 मी. डू टू. डे प्ले. मेल मेल fail. Okay, then think ring. Chance dance. Gint client. Planes trains. Walking talking. Roll pole. Bread sad. Hay today. Ball all. Dance chance. Hill will. Fine shine. Going showing. Hair layer. Rings things. Bet yet. So here our revision half part is complete. Meet you again. Bye bye. Now let's start with question number 5. Match the following. Abhi. So what will be the answer? Hide. Where does the bee live? In hide. Hide. An ant. Ant hill. A duck. Duck lives in a pond. Okay. A tiger. Tiger lives in a den. Then number 5. A rabbit. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Spider. A spider lives in a web. Then a sparrow. Sparrow lives in a nest.